How can garment factories efficiently cool down and reduce stuffiness? Does it cool effectively? Try our eco-friendly air conditioner for efficient cooling. Uses 1 kilowatt-hour to cool 150 square meters, lowering temperature 4 to 8 degrees. It cools, ventilates, and provides practical benefits for workshops with flexible personnel positions. Opt for our mobile version, easily relocated to any area needing cooling. It's quite handy. For complete cooling, a wall-mounted eco-friendly air conditioner is available for broad temperature control. As the original manufacturer, we provide various models to suit different requirements. Select the model that suits your requirements. If your workshop is hot and stuffy, consider our Futai products.